Hello and welcome to Foodtrucks. Today we have another very exciting project shipping. It's actually a food truck, but it's a pizza truck. Let's actually start the tour on the inside because it's kind of cold outside. Well, that is a Maraforni pizza oven, wood-fired pizza oven with propane assist. You can actually see the propane burner on the inside. We actually installed one of these very recently in a trailer, but this one is a truck. This one's going to New Mexico. Right next to that are the 3-compartment sink and the hand wash sink. Hand wash sink, of course, has a splash guard. And of course, the tank is all insulated. Here's a water heater, water pump below that. Soap dispenser, that kind of stuff. Window, which is, of course, self-closing as with all our food trucks. A refrigerator. Fairly large one in this case. Next to that is the generator box. The generator box is finished as a table. And of course, they're going to keep a mixer over here, which requires 220 volt power and this outlet, which we have installed. Remote for the AC, another outlet here, a little freezer. Sandwich prep. Actually, this is a pizza prep table, not a sandwich prep table. It's a little bigger than that. Another prep table. Floors are, of course, aluminum diamond plate. That's the air conditioner. More lights. As with all our food trucks, there is 1 inch of insulation all around it, and all our wiring is in conduits to prevent any damage during travel. Of course, between all panels there are trim pieces. You can see all around, color coded in this case. Let's go outside and see how the outside looks. That's the outside shelf for the window. It pops up and stays up. That's how you would fill water. That's how you would drain water, right there. Of course, the large oven, we put it in the back of the truck, and the whole idea of this is that it radiates a lot of heat. We don't want all that to radiate inside the truck. So the oven is essentially sticking out in a porch while the mouth of it is inside. Of course, for safety, we built a essentially a gate around it, which can be opened like so. Swings out. Propane, as with all our food trucks, it goes through under the floor of the truck, through this pipe into the truck. The hoses are, of course, UL listed, which means that they do not get affected by vibration, that kind of stuff. There is also an outdoor outlet there, outdoor rated outlet. Propane tank under the floor of the truck, right there is belly tank, as it's called. Generator is inside that box. And of course, that shore power connection. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful truck. If you have any questions or if you would like something like this, contact us through foodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.